Asset sales. What is that? So if you're selling your business or your corporation, there are two ways of doing it. If it's incorporated, you can sell the shares of the company, and the person who buys the corporation from you gets the entire company, which then owes all the stuff, the assets. If it's a mechanic shop, it could be the lifts, the tools, the client list, the phone numbers, the website. These are tangible and intangible items. If you're selling the shares, they get all of it. But they also get liabilities, so they need to make sure that taxes are taken care of, there's no upcoming lawsuits or anything like that. With an asset sale, a buyer avoids those problems, and in doing so, it's attractive to them. In this case, they're just buying the assets. You still own your company, and they buy the stuff out of the company, so then it's an empty shell, and they avoid all that kind of liability with things. With an asset purchase or asset sale, then they're getting the stuff, and you don't want to forget all the intangible things. Like goodwill usually comes with the name, so if you're buying the assets of a company, you want to make sure you get a license or you get the name of the company and everything's transferred over. Phone numbers. The phone's ringing with work for your business. If you're buying the assets, you probably want that phone number so you get the continued work also. The same is true for websites. These are all things you want to make sure that are covered in your agreement with the sellers so that you get everything and the buyer's not left with anything. Typically, if someone is selling an asset sale, unless they're just selling a single piece of equipment, they're not going to continue with the business and they don't want it. You want to make sure everybody is protected. Now, it's going to be really important for you to talk to your accountant to make sure what kind of transaction is better for you. In some instances, an asset sale is better, and in others, a share sale is better. So really make sure you've talked to your lawyer and your accountant to make sure you get what's right for you, whether you're buying or selling and involved with an asset sale or share sale.